Gave it up, you guys. So I want to share with you what I received in the mail. This is from Miss IIene Mack. I love her little label there. Super cute, a little acorn. And I love her packaging. This is so cute. It was in my P.O. box, right? And it was already like this. So I'm hoping everything is in place. I believe this was like a little thank you for entering in her challenge. So I'm hoping everything is in here. Let me know if it is. Looks like it is. I like this tissue paper. It's like a cream, off-white, beige. I don't know. Look at these little chipboard pieces or little stickers. I think she got the spritz bucket from Target, and we never saw the, well, I never see them when I go, so but these are so cute. I love these. Let's see what this is. Look at this little, like, so look at the apples, little cluster here, like a little bow. Aww. Oh, it's like a little ATC card. Look how cute, you guys. Super cute. And then she has her little, how cute is that stamp? I like it. Very nice. You know what I've been doing? I've been punching out scallops with like scrap paper. Bigger than this though. This I got in front of me. And then I have a stamp that says like handmade with love, and then I would stamp it and then write my name in the bottom. I don't have a stamp, but hopefully I'll get one soon. But look how cute. I love that. And then she sent more. So adorable. Look at these little mushrooms, some leaves. Oh, what are these? These are cute. Look at that. Was that in the spritz bucket too? Or did you, I don't know. Those are cute. Look at these. These are so adorable. Look at the gold one. I love these so much. Oh, look, another one. If I sound a little nasally, you guys, because I have the worst allergies. How cute is that? I love a little ATC card. And I saw her do a video. Aww. So cute. Look, she did a little tag with a little bit of tassel trim. I like this color ribbon. And she says, "Hi, Crystal. Thank you so much for your generous entry into my challenge. Your friendship and support will never be forgotten." Oh, you're so cute. And she's from New York. She's from Long Island. Look at this, you guys. I think she got the idea. She saw the tutorial from, oh my goodness, what's her name? Pinkstrawberryz. Something like that. I love her channel. She does awesome tutorials, process videos, and look how cute. I'll make sure to link her down below. It's a little post-it, and then she put, I saw in her video, she put, you see there? She put little, what are they called? The dots, the glue dots. So then, like, you know, once you're done with this, you just take it out and it's not permanent there. And you could add a new one. This is so cute. And you can leave it on your desk. Super cute. I love it. Great way to use up your scraps as well. Thank you so much, IIene, for sending me something. I really appreciate it. Make sure to go check her out, you guys, if you haven't already. And I'll check you guys on my next one. Bye.